यार आज लोग कम है ना।
हाँ, तरुण नहीं आएगा। ही हैज सम पर्सनल इमरजेंसी।
और शिल्पी, शिखर और प्रणय।
मैं प्रणय को कर लेती हूँ।
मैं शिल्पी और शिखर को कर लेता हूँ।
ठीक है।
हेलो प्रणय। ओके, कब तक आ रहे हो तू फिर? What does that even mean, Pranay? Pranay, you are not making any sense. Are you coming or not? Hello? Pranay, don't you cut the...
हाँ यार, शिखर की वही प्रॉब्लम चल रही है और शिल्पी ना मुझे सीरियस नहीं लगती बिल्कुल। ठीक है फिर हम शुरू करते हैं।
ओके गाइस, तो बताओ क्या सोचा फिर सबने?
मैं क्या सोच रहा था, एक लड़का दिखाते हैं जो एक लड़की से मिलता है एंड शी लेट्स हिम अंडरस्टैंड हिमसेल्फ बेटर।
That's just stupid.
सैम तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है डूड?
It's not just Ranveer. I feel everyone I work with is stupid. Of course, some are less stupid than others. What was the question? About love stories. I don't know, man. They're just kind of stupid.
100 खामियों से भरा, हजारों कैदियों से लड़ रहा इंसान होता कौन जो मोहब्बत को कहता बुरा या भला।
Okay. So these ideas are fine. But they don't grasp me. And what was that about?
अबे यार।
No, please tell me now.
Guys,
Please.
let's just move forward with this, okay? Please.
Yes. Let's not waste time. So, I was thinking about a man who is killing his family.
Wait, this is what I just
Dude,
said.
तुम ना सारा thought process तोड़ देते हो.
Sorry.
ओके बट एक्चुअल में वो इमेजिन कर रहा होता है. हाँ?
This is exactly
Dude,
what he was saying.
तू फालतू पंगे क्यों लेती है यार?
Guys.
This is exactly.
Let's just calm down, okay? अनुभव, तू बोल।
ओके सो वो इमेजिन वाला पार्ट वी विल शो कि ही इज एक्चुअली सीइंग अ टीवी शो एंड इमेजिनिंग इट एंड ये हमारे में एक एलिमेंट होगा एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज अ मिडिल एज मैन. Fuck guys, we got it guys, come on guys, come on man. Woo nice.
I think we got something and अब हम इसको अच्छे से करेंगे and we will make sure that this is executed well. बाकी अभी we'll go home and develop the things and all. You know, this script writing process is very crucial to filmmaking. The art of visualizing, writing scripts is that we need to learn from the greats. If you watch The World Cinema, then you will get to know that
How I feel about the idea, I think it's nice. It's actually really good. It's wonderful. It's amazing. It's stolen.
I don't know. Why are you even doing this when you know what happens in the end?
यार मुझे ना एक दिन सपना आया कि एक औरत है जो बच्चे खाती है और उसने इतने बच्चे खाए ना उसके पेट में खून जम गया और फिर पता नहीं कहाँ से वो श्री राम आ गए. उन्हें बोला गया अगर लंका में एंट्री लेनी है तो पहले उस औरत को मारना पड़ेगा और वो औरत ने इतने बच्चे खाए कि केरिया के बच्चे ही ख़त्म हो गए. अरे यार, अबे तू कहाँ शूट कर रहा है? इधर सुनना. ये सब कहते हैं मैं भी बच्चों की तरह दिखता हूँ
मुझे खतरा तो नहीं है?
ओए भाई रुक मैं बताता हूँ क्या हुआ। आ जा चल 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 आ जा।
तो अभी हम यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि कैसे स्टोरी आगे प्रोग्रेस करेगी, बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली इट्स अ वाइस बर्थडे, कम ऑन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
सो गाइस, स्टोरी कहाँ तक पहुंची? देवो, recap it.
Yeah. The story will start with a guy who is sitting on a bench. And
No.
he is-
A man sitting on a bench.
Wait. How will we get a man?
तेरे डाइट कर लेंगे यार.
No. I don't think so.
कर लेंगे यार, relax. Debo, you continue.
Yeah. So the story will start with a man who is sitting on a bench and looking at a girl eating chips. And then
I think it should be a role or something else. Chips is too uncinematic for a murder movie.
I agree. It
Yeah.
can be something like
Me too.
How about sandwiches?
Nice.
Yeah, okay. So, man is sitting on a bench and watching a girl eat a sandwich. He then gets up and walks towards her.
Slowly.
He then slowly gets up and walks towards her. The camera tilts down. He picks up a rod and smashes the girl's face, killing her.
Blood everywhere. And as she falls, her eyes lay hopeless.
What? This sounds amazing. Please continue.
Okay, so he murders her. But his inner self wants more. The camera zooms into his eyes, and then into his face, and then zooms out to the next target, a woman.
wearing a red dress.
Yeah, nice.
The woman wearing a red dress.
साइलेंट कर यार, पूरी होने दे स्टोरी एक बार. रॉबिन, यू टेक ओवर.
यार पर वो बोल तो रही है.
जस्ट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द टीम ना.
Okay. So the man stands up and walks towards the woman.
Slowly.
Yeah, right. Slowly. He walks towards the woman and then swings the rod in slow motion, killing her, laughing, grinning.
Wait. We never decided to show him happy about the killings, yeah.
I just feel it adds to the character and reality.
But yeah, I don't.
I agree. It does. Robin, you continue.
Yeah. So he murders her. And then the camera goes wide. And suddenly it glitches. And we zoom out from a TV where we see a man sitting with his wife and daughter watching the TV and imagining killing his family. And then the new subject gets up.
Slowly.
नहीं, ये थोड़ा cinematic होगा. Let me complete this. So, the man gets up, goes to the kitchen, gets a rod, comes back, and his family turns to him. They had an eye contact. Then he swings the rod and boom! Cut! This is cinematic, guys. This is cinematic. This is what I'm talking about. Okay? This is it.
Yes, we got it.
Yes. Let's party now, guys.
Wait. Guys, we still have to finalize the location, props and all.
Yeah, he's actually right. So let's just meet one more time to finalize everything. Okay?
Yes, one more time. Let's party now. Cha cha cha.
Nice, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
जाना चाहता है, मैं पूछ नहीं सकता, पूछना चाहता हूँ, कह नहीं सकता। I don't know. Why aren't you enjoying the party? At least someone should.
आई फील ये अच्छी बन सकती है, इसमें पोटेंशियल है, बस हम लोग टाइम दें इसको और रिसोर्सेज अरेंज हो जाएं, दैट्स ऑल।
Did you get that? Ranveer is a jerk. But at least he left his alcohol.
क्या चूती हो यार मैं। विद्युत भाई, अब पोएट बन सकता हूँ मैं। हार्ट ब्रोकन हो गया।